Pencils, the Imagination Kitten. What will Pencils imagine today? There's lots of things to check outside.
Let me check the weather first.
Oh my. Pencils has decided it's a bit too windy to go outside. But maybe, just maybe, she could imagine being in the wind.
What special things like being in the wind?
While Pencils is thinking, you can think about the wind too. What do you like to do when it's windy outside?
Wind.
Let's give Pencils a little time to think. What likes being in the wind?
Aha! A kite!
Oh yeah, a kite uses the wind to fly in the air.
I can imagine I'm flying a kite. All right, time for liftoff. Wow, look at it go.
And it has a string to keep it in place.
Oh my, I do love string.
Oh, that's right. Part of the kite is Pencil's favorite toy. That's okay, Pencils.
I'll just keep imagining.
What else likes being in the wind?
Ah, a sailboat.
Yes, a sailboat uses the wind to move.
Ahoy! Here be Captain Pencils, sailing to port with a cargo of toys and treats from the far north. Blow, mighty wind, blow! Toys and treats.
It looks like Pencils got a little distracted from sailing. Still, it sure was a great adventure. What else likes wind?
Hey, a windmill.
Of course, the word is in the name. Pencils, you actually became a windmill. You all right?
Never better. Wow, I'm bigger than a house.
Yeah, but I think something's missing.
I think you're right, but I can't quite put my paw on it.
Oh, Pencils, don't do that.
What does a windmill need for the wind?
Do you know what Pencils could be missing that is so important? Let's wish Pencils luck figuring out the answer. Pencils used her imagination to become a windmill. But there's something very important that she's missing.
Ah, the blades.
Yes, the wind makes the blades spin around and around and around and around and around and around and around and
Phew, so that made me a bit dizzy. But it was so fun to watch those blades spin around and around and around and... Okay, that's enough of that.
Pencils went on so many amazing adventures today without even leaving the house.
And always remember, you can use your imagination whenever you want.